Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC coin. Of today, the coin continued to rise gradually, and now Binance says yes to 0.01 price target, yes to 1 cent, yes to 1 penny. Now, Binance are supporting, Binance are burning, Binance are really pushing. And right now, I think Binance believe that Terra Classic can hit 1 cent very soon. But if you ask me, I will tell you the truth. The way crypto industry has been going, the way things are going, the way Binance are burning, because the expectation that Terra Classic will burn over 5 trillion coins in 2023, I do not see that happening. Terra Classic might end up burning just 200 billion coins this year, 2023. So you see, with that number of burning, that will not really affect Terra Classic. That will not push Terra Classic to hit 1 cent. And with the market cap they have right now, I don't think this coin is really going to hit that level. So for Binance, they believe yes. And I think that year doesn't mean Terra Classic is hitting 1 cent this year. Though I personally believe Terra Classic can hit 1 cent this year. But Binance are saying Terra Classic can hit 1 cent, they believe, in the next few months or years. So if Terra Classic is to hit 1 cent with the way Terra Classic is gradually increasing burning rates, I think it will take Terra Classic between 1.5 years or 2 years in order to hit 1 cent. So let's assume by this time next year, or by this time next 2 years, we might be seeing Terra Classic trading at 1 cent between 2023 and 2025. So the question is, can you wait? If Terra Classic is to hit 1 cent in 2025, why not? We are talking about 10,000%. So why can't we wait? Why can't we have patience? There is no financial institution, there is no bank that you can invest any amount of money, and in 2 years your money returns 10,000%. It is only crypto industry that can do this. It is only crypto industry that can return high profits, over 10,000% in 2 years. This is why Binance themselves, they believe that they don't want to say this year or next month, they believe in the next few years. So I believe within 2 years, Terra Classic can reach, and it all depends. If in the next 2 years we start seeing Bitcoin start trading at over 70, 80,000 or $100,000, definitely I believe Terra Classic also might be trading between 1 cent. Okay, Terra Classic can hit that 1 cent, that level we have been targeting. So in 2 years, of course, that's a possibility, a very high possibility, but believe it must still be below 2 years. It must still happen this year. But I think with the support from CZ, with the support from Binance, with the support from Kucoin, Crypto.com, Get.io, name them, Terra Classic have a brighter future. But that better future can only shine if Bitcoin trade and hit over $100,000. Then that future of Terra Classic to 1 cent will be possible. If BTC massively rise, that future of Terra Classic to 1 cent will be possible. Once again, remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.